Okay, friends and followers, here is the Central Electronics 100V VFO all back together. I haven't calibrated it yet, but I cleaned up the display and got all the pulleys moving, so this idler gear is now working correctly. This gear is turning, so everything's turning. This knob is now turning correctly. The bearings in here have been cleaned up and greased, and the thrust bearings in there are working. So now you can turn this and it's nice and smooth and it works. So the manual talks about some overshoot on the band, so I can see there's some overshoot right there. Go back the other way and some overshoot there. So that's reasonable. Here's how it looks on the inside. Give you a view of the inside here. Here's some of the slop. I don't think there really is any. So it's pretty good. Anyway, it's been a long day with this thing, but looks like it all worked out in the end. I don't think it's any better or worse than a Drake. It's probably better. Anyway, that's my video. It's time to put some power into this thing and see if it goes. And let's see, does this work? I can see this turning, but I think it needs that friction piece in here to turn it. Anyway, we'll get to that part later. At least it does turn for fine tuning. All right, that's my video. I hope you like it. This has been a good bit of work to get this, to get this thing working well. Gotta make sure it's seated here. Yeah, this thing has to go down and be seated, so there, that's, when the chain is on here, it will seat. So that's, we're waiting for the chain. I shouldn't really be running this back and forth. And that thing kind of pops up too sometimes, so it's not good. Anyway, whatever, it's all old-fashioned stuff. Thanks for watching, have a good day.